and welcome. You are tuned in to campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, bringing you the latest updates and highlights from our vibrant campus. News for the month of August 2025, Part-02. Faculty Forum, August 18, 2025. The Faculty Forum of Holy Cross College was held on August 18, 2025 with active participation from staff members. The session began with appreciations for the orientation program for counseling and the ERP-based supervision system introduced by the Controller of Examinations. Faculty expressed gratitude for infrastructure improvements and support for academic publications. Key suggestions included promoting SWAYAM and NPTEL courses and improving student admissions through enhanced transport facilities. The forum concluded with a call for balancing academics with extracurricular activities for holistic development. Inauguration of IKS Center, August 19, 2025. Holy Cross College marked a milestone with the inauguration of Indian Knowledge System Cell Nagercoil on August 19, 2025. The event featured Professor Sanjay Kumar Sharma, Dean of Research and Development at JECRC University, Jaipur, as the chief guest and keynote speaker. He highlighted the relevance of Indian knowledge systems and their connection to the UN's Sustainable Development Goals. The inauguration reflected the college's commitment to integrating indigenous wisdom with modern academia. Campus Bazaar, August 19, 2025. The Deanery of Entrepreneurship at Holy Cross College hosted a vibrant Campus Bazaar on August 19, 2025, showcasing student creativity and innovation. Ms. Mary Suganya from Kuwait Technical College inaugurated the event as the chief guest. With 123 student-run stalls, the bazaar featured handmade crafts, food items, and eco-friendly products. The chief guest encouraged students to view entrepreneurship as a key to innovation and self-reliance. The event successfully nurtured entrepreneurial spirit and experiential learning among students. InnoBio 2025, August 21 and 22. The Department of Zoology, in collaboration with the institution's Innovation Council, hosted the international conference InnoBio 2025, Innovations in Biological Sciences, on the 21st and 22nd of August 2025. Conducted in hybrid mode, the event brought together researchers, academicians, and industry experts from India and abroad. Eminent speakers delivered sessions on biodiversity, genomics, aquaculture, and sustainability. The conference featured paper and poster presentations, prototype displays, and the release of the 10th volume of Chirps. With 197 participants, InnoBio 2025 promoted innovation, sustainability, and research collaboration. Faculty Development Program, August 23, 2025. The Crossian Center for Faculty Development, in collaboration with the Office of the Deans of Academic Affairs, organized a workshop on integration of competitive exams in curricula on August 23, 2025 at 9:30 a.m. in St. Joseph's Hall. Dr. Sister M. Hilaria Zaundari, Professor and Head, Department of Applied Research, Gandhigram Rural Institute, served as a resource person. She provided valuable insights on effectively incorporating competitive exam preparation into the curriculum, highlighting innovative teaching strategies that enhance student learning and career preparedness. The workshop proved to be highly enriching, equipping faculty members with practical methods to align academic teaching with competitive exam requirements, thereby fostering student competence and overall academic excellence. IFORA 2025, August 25 to September 1, 2025. The Culturals Club of Holy Cross College celebrated IFORA 2025 with great enthusiasm from August 25 to September 1, 2025 at the Golden Jubilee Hall. The event began with a prayer and lighting of the Kuttuvilakku, followed by an inspiring address from Chief Guest Mr. Anand, a noted social media influencer. The principal, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, addressed the gathering, extending her heartfelt wishes to all the participants and emphasized the importance of teamwork, unity, and the spirit of togetherness, values that enrich not only competitions but also the journey of life itself. With numerous on-stage and off-stage events, IFORA showcased students' creativity, teamwork, and cultural expression. Competitions ranged from art and craft to music, dance, and fashion, highlighting the theme Celebrate the Magic of Creativity. By the end of the day, the Department of English bagged the overall trophy. These were the latest happenings from our campus at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. Every day unfolds new milestones and memories. Stay connected for more inspiring updates in our next edition of Campus News.